Hello everyone, welcome back to the Entrepreneurs Talk. And I am Sahil Goyal into a digital marketing category and a founder of STS Digital Solution. So today we continuing the podcast series for industrial team. Today we have the special guest who is Mr. Sukrit Jain. He is the specialized in surface coating lines and doing the projects in Pan India and export also. So welcome Mr. Sukrit to our Entrepreneurs Talk.
Thank you.
So the first question is आप किस टाइप की surface coating lines manufacture करते हैं?
So surface coating lines is initially, bifurcated in two parts. First is the surface treatment and second is the surface preparation. Surface and surface coating. So surface treatment and surface preparation basically जो हम systems बनाते हैं are comprising of short blasting and sandblasting systems, and the other option is doing phosphating or cleaning by spraying or dipping, which is called again a 7-tank process or a phosphating process. And coating plants में हम powder coating plants, spray painting lines, CAD coating lines, and some specialized lines like PVC coating and other specialized jobs which are related or auxiliaries of these paint shops.
Okay, so why our customer choose you? Means what the USP of your company and what's the USP of your surface coating line?
The major USP our company has been focusing on are two things. First is the in-depth and sound engineering that we are providing to our customers, which means जो हम उनके लिए डिज़ाइन करते हैं, the production data कि पेंट शॉप आपको कितना प्रोडक्शन ऑफर करेगी, the quality needs that you want to cater, the operation cost जो आप पेंट शॉप चलाओगे वो कितना accurately डिज़ाइन होना चाहिए, and obviously the best thing is the layouting and the footprint area कि ergonomically जो वहाँ पे मैन पावर काम कर रही है और जो प्रोडक्शन प्लानिंग है उनके लिए काफ़ी सुटेबल हो. And secondly is that we have been really focusing on not only supplying the plants but also giving them the after sales service, which has been USP of ours, and that is why we are able to retain our clients for more than decades and 2 decades as well.
So what all factors do you use for designing and customization the surface coating lines?
Well, for designing and customization of surface coating lines, we take detailed input data from the customer, and the factors that we take in mind in designing and manufacturing the paint shop is what is the production capacity they have, what are the quality needs, whether they are serving any OEMs, they are making their own products, as well as what is the weight of the component, what is the variety of the components, and ultimately the core agenda of designing and manufacturing the paint shop is that we don't under design the paint shop, we don't over design the paint shop, we make it very optimized so that the customer is able to get the ROI as soon as possible and generate profits, keeping in mind the production quality which they want from the paint shops.
So वैसे क्या प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज आप प्रोवाइड करते हैं जो आपके कॉम्पिटिटर्स या कोई अदर पेंट शॉप्स वाले नहीं प्रोवाइड करते हैं?
Well, generally in our industry, people have been, focusing and keeping themselves to one of these or two of these surface coating lines. Since, as I told earlier also, that we have a very good engineering background, and we have been delivering projects successfully day in day out. So, first of all, the products and services that we have a vast variety of surface coating lines in our portfolio that we are able to offer. And not only that, once we have supplied the paint shops, we are able to, or we offer them to relocate also, like shifting of paint shop one factory to another, expansion of the projects, because आज हमने अगर एक paint shop लगाई, उसकी capacity है. For example, after 3-4 years, the paint shop requirement is to get 30 or 40% increase in production, and sometimes the customer is not opting out for getting a new paint shop in house. So we do expansion projects, and in the past also we have been proving ourselves, but not only relocating and expanding only our projects, but we have been doing this for customers who have installed the paint shops from other suppliers as well, which means ki there are people who have been installing paint shops, they have denied of relocating and expanding their own paint shops. But since we have a better engineering in-house, we have been doing expansion and relocation of other manufacturers as well.
सो जैसे आपने अभी किसी को प्लांट मतलब सेल आउट कर दिया, तो उसके बाद आप उन्हें सर्विस भी देते हो या कोई एएमसी चार्जेस भी लेते हो?
See, when we supply a paint shop, our motive is to get the paint shop running. If the customer wants to run it 24 hours also, 24/7, 365 days. After sales service has been an integral part of our system, integral part of our company's culture. In terms of AMC, first of all, we don't prefer of taking AMCs because we want the customer to be independent in maintaining the paint shops. We have a team who trains the team of our customers how to maintain the paint shops. But if we specifically talk that a customer is wanting a AMC, yes, we do take AMCs. We take AMCs monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly wise, which are generally referred to as shutdown refurbishments of paint shops. We have been doing this not only for our paint shops but for paint shops that has been supplied for from other integrators as well.
सो मेजरली क्लाइंट्स आपको रिपीट बिजनेस देते हैं या फिर आप हमेशा न्यू क्लाइंट्स ही मतलब सर्च करते हो?
Well, it's a mix of both the things.
ओके,
But our priority is कि हम पहले जो हमारे existing customers हैं, जिनके साथ हमने इतने टाइम से रिलेशन बिल्ड किया हुआ है, पहले हम उनको सर्व करें. उसके बाद जो हमारे पास कैपेसिटीज होती हैं, then only we jump on to new customers because we have a very strong value culture in our company that serving the existing client is more important rather than grabbing new business. And we have seen in past 2 decades, जितने टाइम से हमारी कंपनी काम कर रही है इस इंडस्ट्री में, कि हमारे एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर्स ही हमें आगे खुद भी रेफर करते हैं टू आवर न्यू क्लाइंट्स. And 60% of the business comes from existing clients as well. And that shows how much we are dedicated to our existing clients, serving them and providing them after sales and service.
या आई लाइक दिस कि आप पुराने कस्टमर्स को ज़्यादा प्रायोरिटी देते हो एज कम्पेयर टू न्यू कस्टमर, बट सर्चिंग करना इज अ बेटर ऑप्शन.
Absolutely. Searching new clients is a better option, but financially, yes, it is a better option. But I think in long run, what matters most, whether it's your professional life or personal life, is the relations that we are keeping. As we have been seeing the projects that we have been delivering, it's not a standard off-the-shelf products. It has been customized. It has been customized for a specific customer and specifically from us. So it's not about the financials. It's our duty to serve them because that kind of customization cannot be handled by all kind of suppliers.
So one more last question from you. So basically, what type of categories, what type of industries you cater?
We haven't restricted ourselves to any specific industry. In past 2 decades, more than 2 decades, if I recall what kind of industry we have served, starting from automotive, 2-wheeler, 4-wheelers, electric vehicles, e-rickshaws, trucks, bus bodies, parts of those components, automotive components, coming on to furniture, whether it is wooden furniture, metal furniture, then power sector, if we talk about motors, pumps, control panels, switch gears, then white good appliances like fans, ceiling or wall fans, pedestal fans, then air conditioners, whether they are commercial or domestic or residential, coolers, and other related white good appliances, then heavy construction equipments like cranes and earth movers, then agriculture department like agriculture implements, rotavators, threshers, thrillers, then tractors, combine harvesters. Other than that, we have been serving to architecture line, which includes aluminum extrusions, glass industry for lacquered glass, then plastic parts, and many more. And how we are able to do that, again come to that point, is that the kind of engineering that we have, we don't have any issues of designing a paint shop for the first time for a new product, no matter what the capacity or what the size or what the weight is. We are able to do that successfully because not only we are a manufacturer, we are an integrator itself. The facilities that we have in-house for manufacturing a paint shop, we are delivering that. But we are not only manufacturing, we are giving a solution to our customers. We are taking systems from other vendors also and integrating to run a solution and provide what is best for the customer.
So can I ask one more question to you?
Absolutely.
So what's your future goals about your company, about your business?
The future goals that we have as management decided are 2 or 3 things. Majorly, we have been increasing our market reach. We have been focusing on increasing our growth 20 to 30% year on year. Secondly, we want to explore other industries or sectors that we haven't explored till now, like electronics, railways and defense. We have done projects for railways and defense, but we want to do that more aggressively. We have been doing projects in exports also, globally also. But right now, starting from this year, we have been focusing on exports also, because I think the systems that we have been delivering successfully, why only Indians should use? I think the systems that we are making, globally people should use and experience these systems.
Also made the tag made in India.
Absolutely, and we truly believe in 2 things. First is absolutely make in India, and the tagline that we focus on day in day out with our clients and with our employees is that we do what we say and we say what we do.
Okay, that's nice to meet you, Mr. Sukrit.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time. Thank you.
Thank you.